Hi, I'm Chrissy Alamo, coming to you today from BB3 Personal Training Center in Weston, Florida. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy shake using milk, banana, and whey protein. I'm going to add 8 ounces of skim milk. Secondly, I'm going to add my whey protein. I'm using ours here. It has 17 grams of protein, and it's pretty tasty. And for the banana, I'm going to use a half a large banana. One thing I do, I actually have a fresh banana. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in today, but when I buy bananas and I can't eat as many as I buy, or I notice, they're almost to that point where they won't be good the next day, I go ahead and cut them up. So I cut them in 4s, and then I toss them in my freezer, and it comes in really helpful, and it makes it convenient whenever you want to shake with a banana. This is how you make a healthy shake using bananas, protein, and milk. Yummy. I'm Chrissy. Thanks for watching.